Hello and welcome back to Le Homemade. As the Christmas season is nearing, how about making something unique yet traditional? Yes, we are talking about the date rolls. These are bite-sized, melt-in-mouth, short crust pastry with a hidden surprise of dates and nuts. So, let's quickly begin with our recipe. And if you are new to my channel, please to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon and don't forget to like and share. First, let's begin by roasting the dates in a pan with 1 tablespoon of ghee. We'll be basically cooking them till a stage where they'll come together like a ball so that it becomes easy to stuff them. Do this on low to medium flame and keep stirring continuously. Now the dates have turned soft and come together. At this stage, we'll remove them out in a bowl. On the other hand, we'll whisk our egg and vanilla essence with the help of a fork, and we'll keep this ready to be added in the pastry dough later. Now we'll start making our pastry dough. Here I've got my all-purpose flour, to which I have added grated cold butter and got sort of a breadcrumbs texture. To this I'll be adding the powdered sugar, mixing this with the help of a fork but not use our hands right away because we do not want to increase the temperature of the butter. Into this we'll add our eggs and vanilla essence mixture and continue mixing this with the help of a fork. You could also do all this mixing process in a food processor. Now once the egg is mixed well, we'll use our hands to bind the dough. Now here we are going to just lightly bring all the dough together with very gentle pressure. Here we are just trying to bring all the dough together. Make sure to do this with very light hands. This process will take about 1 minute. Our dough is ready now. Now we'll keep this dough in the fridge to rest for about half an hour. Now here I'm mixing the cashew nut powder with the dates. This will sort of cut the sweetness of the dates. Like I said before, this is optional. You could do the stuffing only with the dates too, but I prefer adding cashew nut powder to my stuffing. Now it's time to shape our date rolls. Take a portion of the dough and roll it to about a thickness of 1/4 centimeter. Once that is done, cut them into strips and fill the stuffing in this manner. Make sure to seal the edges so that it doesn't open up while baking. Once the rolls are done, we can cut them into desired shapes. Once our rolls are ready, we will place these on a well-greased baking tray. Make sure to keep some distance between 2 date rolls as they're going to puff up a little bit. Now we'll be using the egg yolk to do the egg wash on the date rolls with the help of a brush. This is basically done to give a nice shine and golden color to our rolls after baking. After we are done with the egg wash, we'll be baking this for about 20 minutes on 180 degrees centigrade. In case if you have time, you can pop them in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes and then do the egg wash and then bake them. But here I'm gonna bake them right away. Our rolls are into the oven. As we all know that every oven has a different setting, I would recommend to check your rolls after 15 minutes. Once they are golden brown in color, you can remove them. Alright then, our delicious date rolls are ready. Not only are you gonna love this, but anybody in your lives who doesn't like dates is also going to absolutely love this. So go ahead and make a batch of date rolls for your family and friends for this Christmas. If you want to see more such recipes, then please subscribe to my channel. Yes, don't forget to like and share this video. Let's meet again with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, happy baking!